Hi, I'm Laura from youngwritersworkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about teaching aids for middle school. Begin by thinking about what the middle school student is interested in and how they tick. Students at this age are really focused on their peers. They're really interested in the world around them, but not very sophisticated. So they're anxious to absorb more information about the world, but yet don't have a lot of knowledge about how to go about doing this. Taking students out into the world on field trips is a great teaching aid, as is bringing in guest speakers who are experts, who have knowledge about a specific area that you're teaching. The Writers Workshop is a great aid for the middle school ages because it allows them to work with their peers and also sharpens their communication skills. They can learn the draft process and collaborate with each other on projects. Incorporate things like blogging in a safe way into your whatever course you're teaching for middle schoolers, because it's a great way for them to be motivated to write, to gather information about a topic and make a blog entry, but also for them to do something they're really interested in and publish in a way that's interesting to them and very accessible. Using cameras and video cameras can be a great way to engage students of this age because they're, again, very media savvy and really visual, and they can document a lot without a lot of extra sophisticated equipment. About teaching aids for middle school students.